Hey guys, wanted to make this quick video on the fuel pump relay for a BMW. I actually have this on my e30. So when you put 9 volts to it, it still clicks as a functioning relay. So if you go and test it with the 9-volt battery to see if there's if you hear that clicking sound, that's on people normally test them. Oh, it clicks, it's good still. So this one still clicks. Still clicks like a good relay. Let's see this one, just right here. See, this is a good relay. So this is actually found out this was actually a aftermarket relay. So if you have this, it's actually not made of copper there. It's made out of like a stainless steel, so it starts to rust away. On the original ones, this is actually copper, not stainless steel. So if you have this type of relay, expect issues because it's stainless steel. Make sure you're using a either a Tyco or a Siemens type of fuse relay. I kind of prefer the Tycos. You can actually get them off of Mini Cooper, BMW, e36, e30, something like that. So if you have this, get rid of it before it leaves you stranded. So I thought mine was still good, and I just swapped it out with another one. I was kind of curious because it shows that it's working, and then come to find out it's corroded. Not good. Not good at all. This thing is rusty. So definitely recommend you changing out if you have this aftermarket one. This is I'm probably guessing this is an Amazon one or eBay one, some sort of cheapy knockoff one. So just a heads up on that. If you're having fuel pump issues, you don't hear the fuel pump turn on after you turn the key, and you have this type of relay here, this cheap aftermarket, throw that thing in the trash before it leaves you stranded somewheres. That, or you're gonna have sputtering issues like I did. Going down the highway, things start sputtering. It kicks back on, whatever. Then after that, it just totally stopped turning on. Wouldn't hear the fuel pump turn on no more. And had it parked in my garage, so it was kind of stuck in there for a couple days till I was able to get a hold of some OEM fuel pump relays. So definitely get your hands on these ones if you're able to. I got mine at a local pick and pull that we have here, a junkyard. So that's how I was able to figure this out. And as soon as I swapped it out, fuel pump came on, BMW started right up. So back to normal now. Well, I hope this helps out somebody. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.